Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on Near Protocol price prediction for July 2024. Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading, enjoying our new production and having fun talking about the price action and the technicals of a cryptocurrency, which at the moment seems to be quite slow. Yeah, you don't want to underestimate this one. Near Protocol has been dominating the space for a while, and it's having a great time, especially in its categories of cryptos. So why not putting a bit of a spotlight on this one and talk about it again for July 2024, guys. Before we continue, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We also have our new episodes of daily trading videos, especially on my main channel, live trading, day trades with performance and results. You can find out more about it with all the links in the description area and comments area, including the one-on-one coaching program for those of you that are serious about a crypto space and would like to become professional traders, and then the completely done for you trading journey without any prior fees. We'll talk about that one as well. Near Protocol, what are you doing? Well, Near Protocol has been forming a new round of lows. This new round of lows is, at first eye, quite terrible indeed, quite risky, and quite of a struggle out there for the ones that have been suppressed by the leverage, for the ones that have been suppressed by the risk management acceptance they were having. It is a 52% decrease from the highs established on May, and this is quite of a difficulty out there because on a 2x leverage you get wiped out from the highs, let alone any other leverage is completely getting liquidated, which is actually perfect. How does the market usually retraces in the altcoin sector? They do want to make sure everyone is getting liquidated at some point. Now, the level we have actually reacted is actually the ultimate level existent on the previous long wick established on April. This is a time where Near Protocol has been grabbing tons of liquidity below $5 as deep as $4, which is most likely the current case scenario. That's the place you're reacting, $4. If you lose this, you're gonna come back to $3 and you open up a door for such painful movement that I don't really want to see that. So the idea here is a extreme necessity of bullish reaction and pushing the price action by breaking out of the downtrending resistance line. The resistance line, which so far has been active with us for about 46 days, suppressing the price action of Near Protocol, giving quite strength to the bears. The number one thing is make sure you don't lose this one, especially if you have a strong divergence. A very, very strong divergence. This is indicating a market reversal indeed, but I'd like to see how powerful is that market reversal and what are the possibilities of that. Well, for the moment, you got to clear your downtrending resistance line, clear your 200 days blue line moving average, get back to it, and confirm your support in 200 days. It's not possible without confirming support in 200 days and then making sure basically above your 200 days, the very first line is going to be the 100 days, which is the light blue one right there. At the moment, it's exactly the opposite way. It's pretty much, traded, but with 50 days moving average, the orange one in between, right, which is not fine at all. You got to make the structure of moving averages look exactly like here, for example, or like here, or like here. You want to have your 200 days below the 100 days with a bit of a distance in between. This is the market condition necessarily for the pumping environment, for the growth environment. Right now, your price action is not above 200 days moving average, which is the first problem, and then let alone above 100 days moving average, which kind of sits at the moment near to $6. So there's a lot to work on those things, guys, and you got to be very, very patient. We got time during the summer to enjoy things. We want to make sure we pay attention to other things as well, such as the educational side, where we learn how to trade, we learn how to understand the charts before the altcoin season kicks in. You want to be prepared for what's best to come. The first and major target is going to sit on $7 golden pocket, of course, but we are quite far away from that, and even a movement into $7 would not trigger an altcoin season. I mean, we need a proper market structure above $5, above 200 days moving average. That's a lot more important than the movement into the $7, and then you get another 30-40% dumping, so you did not achieve anything. We pretty much need a ranging structure which constructs the confidence in people to allow themselves to participate in another round of rallies for the NIR protocol. Currently, indeed, there is room for a micro bullishness. That's fine, 20-30% right there until $6, beautiful. But the problem is above, and at the same time the problem is, how do you react with bearishness to this micro movement of bullishness? That's the big problem, that's the big issue. Is it sustainable to do right now 30-40% without facing strong reversals? Well, less likely. Is it possible? Yes, but it's less likely. That's something you want to consider. This is where NIR protocol sits at the moment, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Whatever you do, whatever kind of trading and type of activity you are performing, make sure you have fun with that. Again, if you would like to learn how to trade, if you're serious about this space and believe that education and skills can improve the trading performance, it's time to check that out on our page and find out more details about it, including the ability to join my done-for-you trading, completely outsourced with API trading. We get connected, you give us trading permission, that's it, all it's needed, and we execute the trades. Commission is every 7 days from the pure profits made. Simple and straightforward. Reach out, find out more with all the links in the description area. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Enjoy.